Moving day can be quite stressful, especially if you're disorganized. On this video, I'm going to share a packing tip that will completely eliminate one of the most aggravating situations most people experience after a move. When most people are packing boxes for a move, they use a marker to write on the box what room the box goes in. That's great until you get where you're going and you need to find something fast. The process that I use is actually quite simple. When you are packing your moving boxes, use your phone to take a picture of everything that you are putting in the box. Write a number on 4 sides of the box and on the inside flap. This way, when you take a picture of everything that it's in the box, the number will be in the picture. Now when you get to your final destination and you need to find the wine opener, you'll be able to find it in almost no time. Thanks for watching.